So this is from StarknightMT.
It is nice.
It's got a nice handle, super quality. It's got a gasket around here. Looks like we've got a lock in here with a tether to secure it to the side-by-side. So if you got valuables, and we got a nice little manual here, some stickers. I won't use those, but it looks like you could use this as a cooler for drinks or put tools in or whatever. It's real solid and waterproof. So let's mount this thing. This thing is super simple to mount. These tabs underneath that basically go in the holes along here. So we're gonna, all you do is drop it in. The cool thing, you can move it wherever you want.
Haley had two of them, so I have one on this side too.
Yep, she's got one over here. I don't know if she can figure out how to mount that. Can you mount that one over there?
Oh, this side.
Yep, we got it turned around. And that's how cool it is. So look at that. We got two in there.
Nice.
So we can secure them. Let's see how this locking system works. Okay, so there's a couple of ways to lock this. There's one with this pin here, and then there's one with this little cable here. So the way you lock this is wrap it around the roll cage here, and then you use this lock and flip this down, and then put your lock through like so, and then they would have to cut this cable to get this box off, but then you've got a secure box. Other way to do this is you take a saw, cut this piece off here, and then it's hollow. And then your lock, your plug is going to go on the inside here. And it's going to basically feed through. And then you can lock it with a lock. Once you have this locked here, there's no getting into that. So they would have to cut the lock in order to do that. So I'd say that's a more secure way to do it, because then you don't have to worry about somebody just cutting that small cable.
Wow, that is so cool.
If you like this video, there will be a description, a link to get this at a discount below. So grab that. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, Star Night, and we're going to be giving away some accessories.